Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to discuss the newest generation of wireless technology, 5G. As technology continues to advance, the demand for faster and more reliable internet connectivity increases. 5G technology aims to meet these demands and bring about a new era of connectivity. 5G technology promises faster download and upload speeds, as well as lower latency, compared to the previous generation of wireless technology, 4G. This means that 5G networks will be able to handle more data and more connected devices than ever before. This will enable new and exciting applications such as virtual and augmented reality, as well as the ability to control and monitor industrial equipment remotely. 5G networks will also bring about more reliable connections, meaning less buffering and fewer dropped calls. This is important for applications such as remote surgery, where a stable connection is vital. 5G networks will also have a larger capacity, which will help to reduce network congestion and improve overall network performance. 5G networks also have the potential to be more energy efficient, which is important as the number of connected devices continues to grow. This will help to reduce the environmental impact of these devices. 5G technology is set to bring about a new era of connectivity, with faster speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections. This will enable new and exciting applications and improve the performance of existing ones. With 5G networks, the future of technology looks brighter than ever before. However, 5G deployment and adoption is still in its early stages, and we need to wait and see how this technology will develop and be adopted in practice. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned with my channel.